Well, while the COVID-19 pandemic pushed commodity prices to multi-year lows in 2020, the market observed a remarkable comeback and rallies in 2021. From crude oil to lithium, most of the commodities delivered a stellar performance last year. For more on this, let's bring Kunal Sawhney, CEO of the Kalkine Group. Welcome back to Ticker News. Thank you for your time today.
Hi, Natasha. How are you? Thanks for calling me in.
Good, thank you. Now, Kunal, how did the commodity market perform in 2021 amidst the pandemic disruptions?
So while the COVID-19 pandemic pushed commodity prices to multi-year lows in 2020, the market observed a remarkable comeback and rallies in 2021. From crude oil to lithium, most of the commodities delivered a stellar performance in 2021. Part of the credit goes to supply chain bottlenecks, which caused shortages worldwide, sending commodity prices soaring. Although supply remained constrained, rebounding demand amid gradual reopening of the economy further drove up prices in 2021. In addition, government stimulus programs and the central bank liquidity lit a bullish fuse in the commodities asset classes. Some credit also goes to the severe energy crisis encountered by Europe and China, which prompted significant rise in prices of energy commodities last year. It is worth noting not all commodities had a smooth ride in 2021, like gold. Gold faced a hard time last year, recording a fall of over 4% last year, partly due to the booming popularity of cryptocurrencies.
Now, according to you, Kunal, which were the best performing commodities of 2021?
And number one would be lithium. Lithium prices jumped multifold in 2021, observing a rise of more than 460%. The surge was backed by a spectacular increase in the demand for electric vehicles, powering the green revolution. Then there is coal. The price of coal rose by 110% in 2021. The commodity grew far more quickly than anyone expected as increasing demand for power generation met supply shortages amid the energy crisis. There is coffee. The price of coffee rallied over 75% in 2021. Shipping constraints and drought and cold weather in Brazil helped coffee prices reach new highs last year. And then there is crude oil. Crude oil also delivered a great show last year, surging by over 50% as the global economy slowly reopened. Oil demand rose and triggered a rally in prices to multi-year highs. The increased production cuts by OPEC further boosted oil prices amid already prevalent supply constraints.
Now, looking into the future, which stocks do you think have a great potential for the coming years?
For the coming years, some of the stocks that can do well. Once again, this is general advice, so please do your research. Alchem Limited, AKE, speculations are rife that the demand for lithium will continue to increase in the coming year, prompting a further rise in lithium prices. Meanwhile, a rise in electric vehicles adoption and decarbonization could benefit lithium prices. So AKE, that's the ASX code. Santos, the code is STO. No doubt any prediction for the oil market seems bold at the current moment, given the recent emergence of the Omicron variant. However, the existing market forces are pointing towards a tight oil market in 2022, with demand more likely to recover to pre-pandemic levels. And then there is Whitehaven Coal. WHC is the ASX code. As per Whitehaven, demand for thermal coal is extremely robust, and supply constraints in key producing countries can tighten the coal market further.
Great to hear your insights on this. Kunal, thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you. Have a good one. See you.